Hey guys, welcome to OMG Online Money Goals. So today we'll be seeing how to get started with Blogspot and earn money online. Have you ever thought of earning money that easy? Yup, you can earn money from your free blog easily in blogspot.com. Just create your own Google account and start earning money. So I have already signed into my account. Um, Click on to the create new blog in Blogger, and I'm entering my title as online money goals. Now the address is the URL in which your blogspot, like your website address is. So I'll be entering online money goals, and as this one is a free website, it will be giving you like onlinemoneygoals.blogspot.com. So that is how your URL will be. When someone searches onlinemoneygoals.blogspot.com, my website will be popping up in the Google search. And another one more thing is, like, in India, it will take around 6 months, roughly 6 months, to your website to get popped up in the search tab. So when you search it for your website within 6 months, it will be really hard to get out from that, because it won't be properly, it won't come up in the search engine. So it will take around 6 months in India, but in US and other countries, it will instantly be popping out like within a week or a month. So it depends upon the country. Now click on to the create new post and add a title. I'll be adding title like how to get started with Blogspot. And just enter whatever you want your content, like you want to make some good recipe, like how to make a donut, or how to make hakka noodles, something like that. Like whatever you're typing in, type it out, and in the side tab you can actually have an option to publish it now or publish it later to your date which you have mentioned. And labels are like for you, like, categories to easily search upon which topic you have actually posted this post. So I am keeping it as blogger. So in that blogger I can even post more than 10 or something like that post in it. And you have another one like, permalink, which you can actually have your own custom link, or you can use the regular one. And another one is location. According to your location it will get filtered. So yeah, that's it. You can insert your images from the above tab. You can see lots of icons from it. And then if you are finished up with that, click on publish post and confirm. That's it. Your post will get published on your website. So when I view my blog, see, my post will be published, how to get started with Blogger. This is how my website will look like. You can actually customize your own theme and your website in your themes tab. You have a themes tab and layout tab. So in layout tab, you can actually alter your already existing layouts, where you can change your header, page title, and page body, and you can change your sidebar, like which one you want to pop up and which one you don't want, which one you want to hide. You can do that. The I symbol is for hiding your that specific tab. So if I hide if you want to hide that blog archive, click on the I icon, it will just get hidden. And if you want to make it come back, then you have to click on the same I tab. So that's all about the layout. Layout will get changed according to your theme. So if you want to edit your theme, like I have now this green thing, notable light. So if I want to change to another theme, I just have to click on to the theme and just apply. See, there are lots of themes available, but it's actually limited in in Blogger. But you have so many things in WordPress. So if you want to create one professional website, you have to opt for WordPress. But for your personal blog, which you want to get started off initially, you can use Blogspot. See, now I have that green one in notable. Now I am going to change with this gray. Just click on apply and refresh your website. it will get changed. See, that's it. It's that easy. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now you can customize your website according to your taste. Like, you have a few options to change your theme, background, advanced and gadget. If you click on to the customize option, so in background I can actually change my color theme. I have gray and default black color, but now I can change it to orange, gray and orange. Like, gray will be the main color theme of my website because I have chosen to that one in the themes option. This background, this color will be like supporting color with for my gray. Like, have you seen that when I change the color, the gray and the pink will be changing according to the intensity of the pink. The gray color will also be slightly differing. And next one is advanced. In advanced you can actually change your header font, body, and search tab font, search tab size and sidebar sizes and much more. So the body part is the full. If you, for example, taking your home page, other than your header and footer, the other things will come under body part of your website. And this one, it's highlighted in orange because I have clicked on to the featured post. Featured post is something like which will be the most prominent thing when you just get into a website, because featured post is something that will show up as the important, like highlighted post in your whole blog spot, so that people will be clicking on to it instantly. You can make your featured post by the options left in your post tab in your blog spot. So try to make an attractive post as your featured post so that people will be like liking your keep reading your whole, the whole blog. So in the gadgets tab you can actually edit your own attribution link, about me tab, and RSS feed, subscription link, everything. You have things that you can edit, and if you want you can choose it to appear in your blog, or you can actually hide it. Can you see that when I click on to the pages and click the tick mark, it will get appeared. When I just remove the tick mark, it will go off. So I'm configuring the by email, follow by email. When people click on to that, subscribe to this page, they will be following by email whenever I post a new topic, or if I'm doing any new photo gallery page or something. If I make an update in my blogger, people will get updated through their email. So this is the earnings tab. You will get this default in Blogger. In website and other things, you have to put on a new plugin to start earning. But in this one, you can just start earning with your own free blog. Actually, you can actually start earning from Blogger very easily. Blogger is actually one of Google-centric blogging platform, which is like Blogger, YouTube, your AdSense, business, Google Business, Google Meet, everything comes under Google's product only. So AdSense is one of the product which is integrated with your Blogger platform itself. You can click on the tab which is available in your dashboard, Blogger dashboard, and monetize it. So before monetizing it, you have certain rules to actually follow, and your blog should follow those rules in order to get your AdSense approved and start earning from your blog post. So I'll just tell you what are all the rules you have to follow. So in order to apply for AdSense, your blog should be at least 6 months old. As far as in India, the rule actually is 6 months. In other countries it differs, so check with your country's number of days count so it differs from place to place. In India, it takes around 6 months to get approved, and your blog should have at least 100 to 150 blog posts, and it should have good engagement with audience, and it should have at least 1,000 to 10,000 visitors per month. And your blog post should be like, you have to share your blog post in other social platforms, so that people will be visiting your blog post. And it should also be like, very legible. It should look good, it should be presentable, it should be inviting to others. Those are all one of the concerns that AdSense people will monitor, and they will check and review before giving you AdSense approval. So make sure you choose better theme for your blog post, so that it will look good. Appearance and aesthetic quality of your blog or website is really important. Your website should look good, and it should be so inviting that people will just get into and start engaging with your post. And your post should be like, it should be of good quality, it should have good grammar, and make sure you give some tags and other keywords in your bottom of that post, so that it will get up in the search list when you are searching for it. And one more thing is like, you shouldn't use copyrighted article or material, anything in your post, which means like, make sure you use copyright free images. If you are explaining about a general topic, you need images which you can get from lots of copyright free image websites. I will list you what are all the copyright free image websites in the next video. If you like, please do comment it below. Comment any of your questions or any problems you are facing. So that's all for now. Thank you and bye.